Hi guys, good morning. I'm here in Siargao City and I'm going to Siargao by the boat. So let's go. Oo. Hi sir. Good morning. Hi guys, so I'm here in the pre-departure area. So I was trying to catch the 10 a.m. ferry, but it's not working anymore. So I'm very early right now for 11:30, and it's still 9-ish. So yeah. ₱20 ya, pasingon sa langyaw. Alright, sige go. 3 years ago, I went to this island and it was so crazy from touristic place to another touristic place. So for this trip, I just want to chill. So this is the shop of my cousin, Andy. Sasikon! Well, ako na.
Matters make it turn someone's head. He said, I will only get better.
Go, Ja! Pressure na yan. Pressure na siya. Ay, ay, ay.
Ganyan, okay. Hi!
Ito na, guys.
Yan na! Yan na yun. Huwag kang dadaya. Hinawakan mo eh. Oh, wala ba? Pinipigilan mo, oh. Yung daliri mo, kita ko sa zoom yun.
So this is the room, bunk room. You can put all your stuff in there. You have your fan, your pillow, and this is the whole thing. And this is my room. There, my stuff in there, and my bed.
And this place is really cute because you have the tree in there, and there's a family room also upstairs. And just outside you have your bathroom. It's a common bathroom, but it's really, really clean. And you can just walk, then there you go. You have your dagat. This is really cute. I love it. So what I love about this place is it's quiet. So right after partying outside, of course you're here in Siargao, so you can go home and have a good night's sleep.
And I'm going out. I'm just gonna walk because I'm not driving. I'm not confident to drive a motorcycle. So let's go.
Someday I wonder why I wasn't meant to be Yeah, 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 yeah.
Someday we'll know.
Time to walk a line.
One day I'll go.
Dancing on the moon. Someday you'll know that I was the one to be
Papasok.
Resin sheets.
Isa daw? Spelling daw ba?
Stop and down.
Seryoso? Focus. So this is just me walking the whole afternoon on the beach. And then dinner with these people. And that's it. My short Siargao trip.